My name is Metehan Kundak and I will be presenting the slides 17-72 for the chapter 7. In these 3 slides, it has been explained some common SQL operations. For our 2 operations, we need to use foreign keys as references. At the first slide, we need to create 3 tables: students, courses, and enrollment. The enrollment table has foreign key references. Inside the students, we have SID, which is for the student ID as primary key, name, and GPA as number. Inside the courses, we have course number as primary key represented by course name and course name. And for the enrollment table, we have the information of SID and course number as foreign keys. So you can see in this part, in order to achieve the information of student ID, we need to use foreign key references. And for the course number, also we need to use foreign key. After creating tables, we need to insert some values. In this case, for the student, we need to define a student ID, name, and GPA. And for courses, we have the values of course number and the course name. Inside the enrollment values, we are connecting the student ID with the course name that the student takes. So, after inserting some values, we have our tables: student, course, and enrollment. So, for this chapter, we need to find the names and GPAs information of those students who take all courses taken by the selected ID. And in this case, it's the ID of the Alex, which has been provided here. We need to select name and GPA from student table, and we need to find the course number and select course number from enrollment, where the SID is the provided one. For our next operation, we have 3 tables also for employees, projects, and works. And in this example, it is similar to the previous one, as employees similar to student and projects is similar to the courses, and the works keeps the information of both employee and projects, so it is similar to the enrollment. It asks us to find the names of those employees who participate in all projects. So for this operation, we need to create 3 tables. Inside our employees, we have employee ID as primary key, name, age as number, salary as number. And inside projects, we have project number as primary key and name and the manager name. For the works, we have employee ID as a foreign key and also project number as a foreign key. And in addition to that, we have the start date information. So, after inserting values to the employees and projects, we need to find the information of the names of the employees who participate in all projects. In order to find that, we need to select name from employees and select projects, and we need to match employee ID with the work, employee of the ID, and the work of the ID with the project number. So in this case, it's Troy that participate all the projects.